Hello, I'm Melissa Roniak, and today I will be talking to you about ocean acidification. So what is ocean acidification? It is actually an environmental effect of climate change. So we all know that climate change is a very big issue and affects many different parts of the environment. And one of them is a reaction with water. So the increased concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere reacts with water and carbonate ions in seawater to produce carbonic acid, as you can see in the reaction on the screen. It is CO2 plus H2O plus CO3 2 negative. That turns into two molar equivalents of HCO3 negative. Now it is this reaction that produces acid and causes ocean acidification, and it's all due to the increased CO2 concentration in the atmosphere from climate change. Now, what are the environmental effects of this? First, it corrodes shellfish and coral reefs, and this is due to the changes in the ocean's pH. So the more acid that gets produced from the ocean acidification reaction, the lower the pH of the ocean eventually will get, and not many things can survive in low pH concentrations. Calcification is also decreased, and this is due from the carbonate ions that are consumed in the acidification reaction. So carbonate ions are needed to make calcium carbonate, as you can see in the reaction below of calcium plus carbonate ions into the calcium carbonate. Now, without calcium carbonate, calcifiers cannot undergo calcification because calcium carbonate is a reactant to their chemical process. So without it, they can't make it. And lastly, we'll talk about the decline of zooplankton populations, and this is due to changes in their environment's chemistry and the destructions of the coral reefs due to this added acid in the ocean. So what are the future effects of this? Without calcifiers, coral reefs as habitats or zooplankton as food, many aquatic species will become endangered or go extinct. This will lead to endangerment of more species and not exclusive to marine life, meaning it'll affect more than just the species that live in the ocean. It can affect humans eventually as well. Now, this situation is creating a possible bottom-up extinction effect, which is very bad because nobody wants to go extinct. So it's very important to bring awareness and understanding of the harmful effects of ocean acidification due to climate change so that we can prevent this terrible future and these harmful effects of climate change and ocean acidification. Thank you for listening today. I'm Melissa Roniak, and if you have any questions, here are my citations, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.